Hey guys, long time no see. I wanted to come on here and make a video because I finally went through and did the 23andMe Ancestry DNA test, and I just got my results. It took about between 2 and 3 weeks for me to actually get the results, which is actually quicker than I expected. So basically I wanted to do this because my dad was adopted and I didn't really know what he was, which means that I didn't really know what I was as far as like my DNA. So I went ahead and did this test, and I'm going to go ahead and share my results. So this is saying here that I'm 71% European, and it breaks it down to 20.7% French and German. Then it goes to 11.3% Iberian, which breaks it down saying Iberian ancestry was influenced by several Mediterranean civilizations. Today, this ancestry is common in people of Latin American descent. Next on the list is 10.5% British and Irish. The people of Great Britain and Ireland have left their genetic fingerprints around the world. We predict that you had ancestors in United Kingdom within the last 200 years. I'm 0.1% Italian, 15.6% broadly Southern European, and it basically says that Southern European, including the Iberian, Italian, and Balkan peninsulas, as well as the island of Malta, is a region defined in great part by the Mediterranean Sea. The Mediterranean has provided transportation routes, keeping these regions connected culturally and genetically. Broadly Southern European DNA matches several specific populations and is difficult to assign to just one. It says I'm 8.3% broadly Northwestern European. So with the 8% broadly Northwestern European, I'm just gonna go ahead and read it all, otherwise this is gonna be a really short video. Broadly Northwestern European DNA matches several specific populations and cannot be assigned to just one. This shared heritage may be the result of extensive migration, possibly including Germanic invasions of the early Middle Ages. So then, this is the last for the European portion. I'm 4.6% broadly European. So it says much of Europe was buried under miles of ice 10,000 years ago. As the glaciers receded over millennia, farmers from Western Asia joined gatherers to settle in Europe. So some European DNA is difficult to assign confidentially to one population as broadly designated. So next we're going down to East Asian and Native American is 22.4%. So I am 20.4% Native American, Mexico. So this one says North, Central, and South America were first populated around 15,000 years ago following the arrival of Native Americans from Northeast Asia. We predict that you had ancestors in Mexico within the last 200 years. Next we have 1.6% broadly Northern Asian and Native American. Dispersed across the continents, people of Northern Asia and the Americans have deeply rooted genetic similarities, reflecting a history of widespread and rapid migrations across the vast Central Asian plains, Siberia, and eventually into the Americas across the Bering Land Bridge. Broadly Northern Asian and Native American DNA is a relic of this ancient population split and is difficult to assign to one specific region. It says I'm 0.1% Chinese, South Asian, 0.4% Asian and Native American, and then it goes down to Sub-Saharan African. It says that I'm 3.6% Sub-Saharan African, so 1.3% Senegambian and Guinean. The people of Senegal, the Gambia, Guinea share many traditions. Today, around 20% of African American ancestry is from this region. So then it goes to 0.4 Coastal West African, 0.4 Nigerian, 0.1 Congolese, 0.3 Broadly Congolese and Southeast African, 0.1% Broadly West African, and 1% broadly Sub-Saharan African. And then for wrapping this up, we are 0.2% Western Asian and North African. Recent migrations into North Africa and Arabian Peninsula have resulted in shared genetic and cultural heritage. So that's all that it's saying that I am, and then it goes down and tells me what it thinks my parents are. So it's basically telling me that all of that European is pretty much from my dad mostly. So like the French, German, British, Irish, and Iberian are mostly from my dad, and then pretty much everything else is from my mom's side of the family. So basically, to wrap it up and break it down, I am 71% European, 22.4% Native American Mexican, and 3.6% Sub-Saharan African. So that pretty much completes this video of my 23andMe results. I did not go through and do the whole like health thing because honestly I don't want to know that. That's basically it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you guys found this video interesting. I do plan on making more videos more frequently. I know I said that before, but I've just kind of been going through a whole like growth process, and I'm gonna get my whole filming area kind of fixed up and ready to continue to do videos. So thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said, I hope you enjoyed, and I will be seeing you guys in my next video, hopefully pretty soon. Bye guys.